McDougall's Hamburger, Bar Graphs, and Picture Graphs, Day 2. Write 3 facts about the data from the graph below. Pause the video to give yourself more time. You may have written something like, Valley Stream Elementary read more books during the library contest than any other school. You may have also noticed that Treetop Elementary read 10 more books than Oak Street Elementary School. You may have even added all of the school total to figure out how many books were read in every school.
The World Health Organization is concerned that the spread of McDougall's and other fast food chains into foreign countries is negatively affecting the eating habits of those cultures. People in countries where fast food was never popular are now flocking to these restaurants. The idea of fast food may be taking away from the family dining experience valued in other cultures. Worldwide, people's diets are becoming increasingly unhealthy. Being overweight is a major risk factor for a number of diseases like diabetes and cardiovascular disease. This causes concern for the World Health Organization as they're seeing more and more obese people in countries where obesity was never an issue. The McDougall's Corporation argues that it has changed its menu to meet the dietary needs and tastes of the countries in which it has restaurant locations. It does not believe that it is negatively influencing the way people eat, but rather celebrating their cultures. In Japan, for example, McDougall's restaurants carry the teriyaki McDougaller. In Egypt, a popular menu item is the McDougall kofta pita. McDougall's restaurants in Mexico say that the chili McRellenos burger is a top seller. The World Health Organization is curious about the nutrition facts of these menu items compared to the popular McDougall burger, which on its own is a whopping 600 calories. That doesn't even account for the fries and soda the combo meal includes. While McDougall's has adjusted their menu to fit the cuisine in other countries, the meal selections may still be contributing to obesity. The World Health Organization wants to create a picture graph of the number of calories in various McDougall's meals worldwide, comparing them to the McDougall burger. This graph will be important in making their argument about the influence of fast food on other cultures.